It's hashtag TBT, and for Throwback Thursday this week, we have behind the scenes video from museum volunteer Mark Huber of our train crew feeding coal to engine 491 during a nighttime Polar Express train ride. Do you have any home movies or photo collections that feature the Colorado Railroad Museum, the museum's equipment, or Colorado railroads in general? Contact the Colorado Railroad Museum's multimedia coordinator, Matthew Isaacs, by emailing matthew@crrm.org or call 1-800-365-6263.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Commenting and sharing in particular may qualify as virtual engagements for important funding programs like the SCFD.